If your LG Smart TV is freezing, running slow, apps keep crashing, or you are selling your TV, a factory reset can solve most software problems in just a few minutes. Here is how to do it. Grab your LG TV remote and press the settings button. Press settings again to open the main settings menu. Scroll down and select General. Navigate down and select System. Under System, choose Reset to Initial Settings. You will now see a warning that resetting the TV will remove all your account settings, installed apps, and personalized data. You have two options: Reset All for a complete factory reset. Reset all except network settings if you want to keep your Wi-Fi connection. For a full reset, select Reset All. The TV will begin the reset process and automatically restart. Once it powers back on, your LG TV will return to its original factory settings, just like the day you bought it. Simply go through the initial setup again, connect to Wi-Fi, sign back into your apps, and enjoy a fresh, faster TV experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more LG TV tips and troubleshooting guides. Thank you.